I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. Learn to keep your mouth shh. Anything you want to do, see, it will come fast. If you did not tell anybody, then you start telling people, I want to do this, I want to do this. It will delay. It will delay. So anything you want to keep your mouth shut, okay, and do it. Now let me tell you another secret of the universe. See, the universe will give whoever keep 1/3 of his incomes. So if you are the type that you always see, universe made a law, and the law state that whoever keeps 1/3 of his income, he will keep giving that person. That's where this issue of tithe came in. So even if you are not giving that tithe to anybody, be removing 10% of the money you are receiving every week. Be keeping it. Look for a place, be keeping that money there. You will see what will happen. You see how rich you will become. So that 10% you are removing aside will draw more, will draw more to you. I'm telling you, try it. It works. These are hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are watching this video today. This is your friend the seer. I was born with the gift of seer. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, about the problem and the solution. Okay guys, today I want to teach you a very powerful one, how you can get anything you want using 4 cowries and just a native chalk. I did your first time on see my channel. I was born with the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. So I can tell you everything you need to know, both the problem and the solution. And one thing you have to know about spiritual work is that stop expecting that if you do spiritual work today and you see the result the next day. It doesn't work that way. It all depends on the state you are spiritually. The same thing can be done for you now. Within 3 days, the person will see the result. Within 3 days, you see the result. But another person, it can take years before he or she sees the result. That's because it all depends on the state that person is spiritually. For example, a house that the roof has been removed. If we are going to renovate that house, it will take much time that a house is just there's a crack on the wall. Okay. So the same thing applicable to a house that both the roof, everything has been removed. So it will take much time to do that house that everything has been removed. Okay. So today I want to teach you what you can do if you need anything and you need something urgent. What you can easily do to get that you want. And this is very simple. All you need is 4 original cowries. I've made a video on this, how you can identify original cowries. So if you don't know how to identify original cowries, please check my video and check how to identify original cowries so that you know. You have to be 4 original cowries. After you have got it 4 original cowries, get a native chalk, white native chalk. We have different native chalk. We have the brown one, the black one, and the white one. Specifically, you need white native chalk for this. After you have got that white native chalk, then at night, okay, at home, just get white piece of cloth, okay. Put that 4 cowries on that white piece of cloth. Then put that native chalk on top. Make your prayers on it. What you want, how you want it. Sometimes people don't know how to pray. When you pray, don't give time free. For example, if I tell you, please, I need money, you can decide to give me that money because you didn't specify when I did. Because I did not specify when I need that money. So when you need money, specify where you need it. So when you are praying, be specific. I need this as soon as possible. I want within 3 months. Let everything within 2 months. Let everything change. So be specific when you want this thing. So when you don't make prayers on it, take that into a Joshua, drop it up there with the 4 cowries and the native chalk on top of the 4 cowries. Drop it there. Okay. Once you drop it there, just go home. Don't look back. No, don't look back until you get home. Once you get home, immediately you get home, okay, just kneel down, raise up and say, God, thank you that all my problem is over. Thank you for I know my prayers have been answered. God, I thank you very much. Thank you. Put on a smile as if you are winning something huge. Put that energy as if it is already there already. This will make it to work very, very fast for you guys. So anything you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group for free, let me know. In my WhatsApp group, I normally give prophecy once a week. So what you have to do, so anything you want, let me know in the comment section. Anything you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you, okay? Don't forget to hit that like button, okay? Subscribe. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group again, let me know. I will definitely get back to you. See you guys in the next video.